Guys, this your boy O, back with another video. Laced and Fitted is the channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, y'all already see what we got going on here. Latest Yeezy 350 V2s to come out. These came out a few days ago. I'm actually a little late on the video, but just not getting a good look at them. Actually went a half size up. Other 350s be a 10. I went a 10.5 on this one. So I'll try them on, see if they feel a little bit better, a little roomier. But let's first off get a close look up at the colorway. You see it's almost looking, you see like gray right here. It's like blue, gray, blue stripe, tan stripe right there. Tan, light brown, I don't know. See the sole is that bluish gray colorway. I really like this color. I really like this color. Something new I noticed was these lace locks. I've been looking at them. I tried tugging on them. I don't know if they're supposed to come out or not. Are they just supposed to be on there? I don't know if this is some kind of Chinese finger trap type thing like they used to have back in the day. You twist and pull. I ain't tried that yet. But I do know that it did come with, which is another new thing, an extra pair of laces. They're the same color, just no lace locks. So, you know, I guess that's just there for an option. If you want the lace locks or you don't want the lace locks. So that's two new things introduced to the 350s. You can see in the light, I like how the this plastic on the side for the stripe. I don't know, you see how it kind of glares in the light? Like it's almost got like some diamond cuts in it, which is pretty sweet. It's not reflective, but it, you know, gives it that little glare, sparkle, whatever. But yeah, definitely dope colorway. Give y'all a 360 spin before I try them on, show y'all what the on foot look like. Like I really love this bluish gray color. I don't even know what it's called for real, because you know they just on the box they just put the name 3 times as usual. But yep, definitely digging this colorway. Got them off the Adidas app. Hit on the raffle, which is actually like my third hit in a row. I got the 380s, I got the Zions, and then I got these. So that was like 3 wins in a row. So I'm shocked. Definitely dope though. Can't complain. So yeah, I'm about to throw these on foot, show you what they look like on feet. Stay tuned.